Hello, my name is Stephanie Obi, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to earn $10,000 in a year from online courses. Now, depending on what country you live in, just convert it to your own currency using the exchange rate, all right? The beauty of online courses is that once you create an online course, you can relaunch it over and over and over and over again and just keep earning money from it consistently. It sounds untrue, but it's true. It's like building a house. Once you build a house, all the work is done. Year after year, you just start collecting rent. That's the same way online courses are. Once you create an online course, all the work is done. You just keep relaunching it over and over and over again. So let's say you decide to create a $97 course, all right? This is your first time. You're a bit afraid of charging too much. You want to keep it easy. $97, all right? And because you're not an Instagram celeb or one popular person, you're just a young entrepreneur with just a handful, maybe 1,000 people following you online. And the first time you launch your course, 10 people pay for it. $97 times 10 is $970. That's the first launch. You relaunch it again, and this time you have testimonials from your first set of students. You're a bit more confident that yes, this course can help people to get results. And then you market the course again. The second time around, because you have results and you have testimonials, you're bound to get more customers. And so let's say this time around, you get 20. $97 times 20 customers is what? $1,940. You relaunch it again. This time, let's say 35 people pay for it. Now you have $3,395. You relaunch it again. This time, 40 people pay for it. And I'm being very conservative with these numbers because my clients get a lot more than this, but I just want you to see that. Let's just even just say that this is what you get. All right? You launch it again, fourth time, and you have 40 customers. You will earn $3,880. Now let's sum it up. Let's sum your first launch, $970, your second launch, $1,940, your third launch, $3,395, your fourth launch, $3,880. The total is $10,185. That's what you're earning from one online course that you just took out some time and created. The next year, you will launch it again. And if you want, you can have 2 or 3 online courses running at the same time. $10,000 from one, $10K from the second one, $10K from the third one. If you catch it, you have caught it, all right? I'm going to give you another illustration. Let's say you don't want to price your course at $97 and say you price it at $249, for instance. The first time you launch your course, it's the first time. It's, things are a bit shaky. Your hand is shaky. Your heart is beating. You're like, and you launch. And the first set of clients you get, just 10. Overnight, you will earn $2,490. If you relaunch it again, maybe you just get 15 people this time around, you will get $3,735. The third time you relaunch this course, let's say you're a bit more confident. Your clients are getting amazing results and you're no longer afraid that, oh God, this course, people are not going to buy it. And you decide that, look, the value I'm giving is so much more. I'm going to increase the price of my course. You haven't changed anything in the course, so just because you're not ready to increase the price, just because you feel like my course is so valuable and I want to increase it. You just wake up and you decide to increase the price. Yes, that's possible. And it's now $297 and 15 people pay for it. You'll earn $4,455. Now let's do the numbers. I know you may not like math, but you have to be a numbers person if you want to do business. So let's do the numbers. Your first launch, 2490. Second launch, 3735. The third launch, 4455. Do you know how much you've earned? $10,680 from one online course that you will relaunch again. That you will relaunch again. My third scenario, you decide to launch a course and you want to price it $497. The first time you launch, you get 20 customers, you earn $9,940. Second time you launch again, you get 20. I'm just being conservative, all right? Another $9,940. The total, $19,880. This thing I'm telling you, it's not tales by moonlight. It's not story. These are things that real people are actually experiencing. I have an online course. This is what I'm experiencing. My clients have online courses. That's what they're experiencing. And I always say that the best time to have launched your online course was yesterday, like last year, like last month, because you'd have gotten your first 10 clients. By the time you launch it again, you'll start getting more customers. The next best time to launch your online course is now. Please don't wait until you're a celeb. Don't wait until you're very popular. Don't wait until you're this big person. There will always be a set of people who don't know half the things that you know. And there will always be another set of people who know more than you know. So you are here, you can create an online course for people who are here. All right? So if you haven't created an online course right now, no matter what level you are, you're losing out on an opportunity to earn an extra stream of income over and over and over again. And the beautiful part is that as you grow, you can keep teaching. I launched my first online course in 2013. I have been teaching since then. Every day I'm learning new things, and when I've mastered those things, I teach it. I teach it. That's what I do now, because I've seen that there's so much value in creating a product and reselling it over and over and over again. If you're watching this video and you're saying, okay, I want to create an online course, but I don't know where to start from, it's all right, it's okay, I understand. Just look below this video and you will see a link to a resource. Enter your name and your email address and I'll send you that resource to your inbox. If you want to know more about online courses, please follow me. This is all I talk about. I will share more resources for you. And if you know anybody who needs this video or who should listen to this video or who should be monetizing their knowledge, please tag them, send the link to them, send this video to them. You know, it will help them to get started. It will inspire them. Some people don't even know that this thing exists. And some other people are cleaning out using online courses. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.